So, happy Friday sa inyo mga kalamon, and it's 3:15 in the afternoon. Yeah. Oh, nakadamit ulit. And eto na. Today, this is another accountability post dahil ngayon ako ay magsushoot talaga, legit. So, I actually read the feedback kahapon mula dun sa video mula sa past reso review. So, yun nga, dahil kasi since konting kain lang at konting kagat, so natrack ko din naman yung calories noon, yeah. For accountability, I use MyFitnessPal. And, yeah, I mean, parang I got to fit in pa yung macros ko kahapon, tama ba? Or the workout after noon, yeah. I don't know if you guys, kung nakakahabol kayo. I only consumed yung calories at yung protein na kailangan to aid yung recovery. Dahil kasi again, kung sabihin naman natin na if I'm going to do like entire menu challenges, mga stuff like that, challenges kung tutusin, doon strict kami nung nutritionist ko with the protocol. 24 hours fast pagkatapos ng pinakauli meal. Meron nga nagtanong din sa YouTube I forgot kung saang video yun. Pero tinatanong kasi nila kung kailan nagsisimula yung actual 24-hour fast. So, for transparency and for clarity, kung hindi man siya nakam across as clear, sabihin natin, if I do like a challenge, tapos yung challenge is natapos ko at around 5 p.m. So, the 24-hour fast is going to start at 5 p.m. Magka-countdown tayo 24 hours until 5 p.m. the next day. And siguro ngayon medyo maaga din natin tatapusin din yung shoot ko, tapos para maaga din matapos yung fast kasi we're going to be we're going to go to an event tomorrow naman. But that's more of an appearance. And more on that lang on the following video. Pero sige, katulad nga nun, accountability natin. So, everything's already in place, and siguro para at least hindi din ako gutumin come the 8th hour, mga ganun, 9th hour. I just have to make sure lang na na stretch ko yung chan ko properly. Yeah, just eat until you're full. Again, hindi ko ni-recommend na gawin nyo ito, lalo na kung sabihin natin na hindi kayo sanay sa prolonged fasting. Pero since me and my nutritionist, somebody I know from way back, experts sa mga ganito, and I'm pretty crazy enough to do all of this. Ganun talaga. So, sangal ng content, yeah. I'm going to do it. So, sige, I'm gonna book a Grab dahil kasi ang dami nating dala. We're gonna go to Makati. Pagdating ng Grab, we were on our way. So, smooth ride naman papunta sa Makati. Traffic was already building up ng mga gantong oras. Pero, Friday, expected na rin na pagkatapos ng pasok or pagkatapos ng trabaho, madami na rin mga uuwi sa probinsya. At kung kayo man ay naipit sa biyahe, I hope you got to your destinations alright. Pagdating dito sa Makati, hindi pa nagbe-build up yung traffic dun sa Caba ng Ayala, kaya madali ako dumating dito sa Eton. Kakatapos ng sa sushi marami, so sige, sulit ang bayad. Ngayon, let's put the calories to good use. We're gonna hit the gym pagkatapos ito. Naglakad papunta dito sa kinoconstruct na BPI head office. Yes, grabe no, it's pretty impressive. Yes sir. So, rush hour is already starting and we're on our way. Buhay lang talaga dito sa Makati, no? So, whether naglakad kayo pa uwi, pa LRT, pa MRT, nag-dinner, nag-hangout with friends, kung sumweldo at gumimik, nag-grab, nag-commute, nag-taxi, nag-carpool, or naggantay sa kahaba ng pila ng jeep. I do hope everybody got home safe. For tonight's back session, so nagsimula muna tayo with pull downs from the back. Ito, tinatamaan naman niya would be scapula, rhomboids, and traps. Tapos noon, did some rows. Felt a little bit strong, kaya tayo ay nag 50 kg per side. Yes, sir. Again, focusing lang on pulling with your elbows, not with your hands. That makes sense. And finished with some curls. So, dahil galing tayo sa biceps kahapon, not a lot of volume for this one. Follow for more.